Here's mine. Here's his. Judge nyo na lang. It's Sunday. There's no one yet. Probably later. Ayan, meron konti. Ayan. We're here at Market Mall Professional Center. Tcharam! Yan, dyan kami kukuha ng blood test. Nandyan yung Alberta Precision Labs. Since we both have our health cards already. He has his health card already. We can now take blood test free. Kasi pagka visitor ka, like my parents, yung father ko, he's a diabetic. So, he needs to take his lab test regularly. Pero dahil visitor siya dito, we need to pay around sometimes it's around $200, $400 for his blood work kasi nga tourist lang siya. Ayun. So ngayon, we're gonna have it for free as long as we have our Alberta health card.
Where's my health card? Dun, dun, dun.
Awayin kita pag hindi mo dala. Kamote ka. Ayan. So, see you guys. Ayan, tapos na. Yun lang. Nakapag-walk-in kami. Successful. So, open sila ng Sunday. Pero, I'm not sure if they still take walk-in in the next days. Kasi narinig ko na, I heard from them that it will be the last time. But I'm not sure if that's true. Ayan. So, what we did is they took a blood sample and then urinalysis. It's a quick wait line. We've been there for less than 30 minutes and we're done. And what else? I think that's it. Oh, you're not gonna be able to take a blood test or blood work if you don't have the, anong tawag dun? Hindi, precision, yung prescription. Prescription ba tawag dun? Request, tama. If you don't have a request from your doctor, so they will not entertain you. So you need to have that first. So you need to have consultation with your doctor first, and then either book an appointment or do a walk-in. And then when you go to the medical, when you're about to take your blood work, you need to also bring your Alberta health card and your Alberta ID. Alberta ID can be your license, so it's your class 7 or class 5. I'm gonna show you mine, pero yung likod lang, ganyan lang. See, ito yun. And you need to confirm some information with them before they can allow you to take your blood work. Kasi mamaya, scammer ka pala, gana. Ayun. So, that's it. It's very quick. 30 minutes and we're done. You just have to go early kasi to make sure that they have slot. Minsan, syempre may appointments din. It's better to go there early in the morning para for sure na ma-entertain kayo nila. So now we're going to Safeway to grab some groceries and see Mother's Day pala ngayon, so we're gonna get some flowers.
Happy Mother's Day.
Happy Mother's Day to all moms out there. Happy Mother's Day, Ma and Ate and everyone I know. And we're here at Market Mall. Open na ba sila? Are they open? I think Market Mall's open now. We're going to Safeway. Asa may Safeway? May Apple Store pala dito, guys. Dito kami bumili ng phone ko. Of doing
Phone mo? What's your phone?
Apple 16 Pro Max. Ay, hindi pala Pro lang pala. Pro Max. Courtesy of my sole provider. Masarap pa. Masaya pala mag-mall ng walang tao. Ano daw? Introvert. Grabe, gano'n ka introvert. Sarado pa.
Bukas na kayo soft Mac.
Ano titignan mo?
Yung Crocs.
Binilan ka na nga ng Crocs. Hintayin mo na lang.
May soft milk, di ba?
Ako, happy. Hindi mo regalo. Wait lang. Kulitin natin. Mother's Day. I'm the future mother of your child. Right?
Regaluhan kita ng kiss.
Happy Mother's Day.
Future Happy Mother's Day.
Ganito yung itsura ng mga mall pag lapan tao. Ito yung safe way. You're safe.
Way me.
In your way.
You're safe way.
Ha?
You're safe with me. Safe way me.
Ang corny mo talaga. 50% off? What is this? Free gold form for ice drinks. Wala akong Starbucks app. Pero masarap yung ice lavender cream. Bought some flower for Mother's Day. So, meron silang promo. 3 flowers for $25. Pero kailangan namin i-arrange. So, ngayon mag-a-arrange kami ng flower. Kala ko i-arrange natin ngayon. Ito yung florist ko. Florist, hi! Wala tayong gamit though. Dapat bumili muna tayo. Sige. Kaya mo yan. Mag-cheer na lang ako. Pag mong tapon to, sayang. Yan na lang gamitin mo. Ano binili natin?
Naman pala. Gerbera.
Gerbera. And then, ano pa?
Carnation
ba yan?
Parang hindi. Kalimutan ang tawag.
And then?
Tapos mix ng mga weeds. Tatis, tsaka...
Grabe ka, wag namang weeds. Pagkamalan tayong addictus dito, hindi pwede yan.
Aren't we all addicted to something?
Ako, saan? Saan ako addicted?
In my love.
Sura mo? Ako lang yata yung taong walang interest sa kahit saan. Tingnan mo rin to, baka may gusto kong i-mix and match. Pag halu-haluin mo na lang, para patas ang laban. Parang mas cute din kasi.
Hindi kasi hindi match.
Tingnan niya natin yung skills mo.
Hindi na ako marunong.
Hindi ka na marunong. Gerbera, pero mukhang sunflower. Gusto mo ba ng tulong?
Hindi na marunong. Yung white na bulaklak. Hindi pala tayo bumili.
Baby's breath.
Ano ba pinamix natin dito? Ay, yung mga weed. Ano kaya pala parang tulong? Tanggal mo yung...
Paper?
Hindi, yung balak.
Mali.
Hindi, pabalik na.
Ay na yun. Masisira eh. Lalo. Mga flower na laglag. Bigyan mo ng ganyan si mother. Talagdagan mo. Sabi ko sa'yo, mix mo na lang lahat eh.
Hindi, dito na lang yan. Sige.
May color scheme din naman. Oh, diba? Tapos kuha ka dito. Kuha din ako dyan. Masyadong compare yung mo. Gawin mo namang medyo loose. Masyadong makaganon.
Meron po kasi. What you think?
Ayan. Parang compare kasi.
Hindi ko alam kung paano gawin spread out.
Sa dulo mo hawakan.
Ulitin ko.
Magandaan tayo.
Grabe siya.
Challenge accepted?
No.
Ha?
No.
Bakit? Takot ka lang eh. Are you scared of my artistry? Ito ganun. Here's mine. Here's. Judge nyo na lang. Balutin na lang namin yan mamaya. Parking first, it's gonna be $13.
And where are you?
For the entire day. Dito tayo sa loob. Siyempre, as always, ang first stop ay washroom. So you can also go here through transit. Just gonna reach the train. Here's the admission. Here are the rates. na.
So we have the toys.
Favorite ni Dwayne. We're here at the gift shop.
Wow. Ang ganda ba?
Share ko lang. Pagpasok namin, nauna ang food. Because everybody's hungry. Malansa yung amoy. Bakit ayaw? Sarado? Is it closed? Pag nag-close yun, it will open. There. What's that? You saw that? Swimming?
No, kumukuha sila ng bato.
Anong ginagawa nila sa bato?
Di ba ano yan? Yung sa Happy Feet. Pakatan nila ng ano, ng poginess. Kung mas mataas yung bato mo.
Poginess? Really?
I thought like this.
Explain.
Ayoko.
Yung kumukuha daw ng bato, yun daw yung pinaka-pogi.
Yeah.
Ano to? Babae ba to?
Yeah,
May wig.
No.
Oo nga. Let's see. Oo nga.
Si Lovelace.
Hi. Hello. Hello. It's so cold here. So, if you're going to Calgary Zoo, make sure that you bring jacket. Kahit summer, but they have some areas here. Ma, picture kayo, ma? Picturean mo nga sila. Baka tukain ka, ma. Dali. Ayan.
Okay.
Ayan.
1, 2, 3.
Tading! Lapit ka, ma. Sa kanya. Happy Mother's Day, sabi niya.
This is pretty cool. This is Fjord, the polar bear. Now Fjord, because he's a polar bear, he is the largest bear in the world. Polar bears stand at a height of 1 meter tall, and then their length when they stand on their hind legs can be up to 3 meters in height.
Ikaw, book mo yung nose niya. Happy Mother's Day!
Thank you.
I love you.
Where do you want to go? Here or here?
Happy Mother's
Dito
Day.
sa World Canada.
Uy! Happy Mother's Day.
Thank you.
Next stop, Wild Canada. Deer ba yan? Siguro halfway na tayo.
Halfway pa lang.
I guess. Mas marami yung lakad, guys. Huwag kayo mag-shoes ng hindi comfortable. Kailangan yung komportable kasi lots of walk to do. Naka-ano din pala ako, compression socks. Courtesy of insurance.
the jungle, the mighty jungle, the lion sleeps tonight.
Naka-portrait sa Giraffe Tulfo daw.
Pumba.
Kita ng hippopotamus sa buhay. Hi! Turo mo yung hippopotamus. Bakit? Nagulat ako.
Smile.
Ang cute mo. Hey guys, umayos na yung weather. It's now sunny. Kanina makulimlim. Mas malamig. Buti na lang ngayon okay na. Hindi kami nakakita ng polar bear, pero meron kami nakitang isa brown bear. Uy, bear. Ayun. Kaso tulog din siya. Lagi silang tulog. Siguro dahil sa weather. Mainit na malamig. Anyway, nalobat na yung sa kong camera. So, I'm using my phone. Courtesy of